my name is Bill. I come from Huawei Carrier Software Business Unit. Maybe you know Huawei because we have smartphones. But our business unit is a software business unit. In the past 20 years, we worked with Carrier for the software part, like short message center, run-back tone, and the call center, and BSS, billing system. And also I come from billing department, so my name is Bill. Okay, and we got some high market share about this kind of carrier software. At that time, the short message is service or applications. And so that in that time, I think the service is simple. But now, the network is upgraded to LTE, 4G, and the smartphone penetration is higher and higher. So today, when we talk about the applications, the services is not before. And short message is just like water for the life. It belongs to the infrastructure. So the carrier now is thinking about the transformation. And they ask Huawei, okay, can you help us to consider how to do the transformation? We think, okay, you need to monetize your resources. You have communication resource, you have data resource, you have user resource. So you need to expose your capability, your resource to other partners, and then the partner can help you to create applications. But when we talk with them, okay, we build the platform to them, and then they will ask, okay, Huawei, can you help us to bring some partners to here to create the applications? Okay, so we talk with the partners. The partner will say, oh yeah, we will create the new services, applications, but we doesn't want to cooperate with only one carrier. We need the carrier's capability for one region. Like in China, we have 3 operators. They say, okay, I need all the Chinese carriers' capability. But in one region, one carrier, sometimes we will not cooperate with another carrier. But we said, okay, you can work with Huawei, it will be better. So that's why we have the digital in cloud. We want to do the bridge between carriers and service partners. So what will we do? The name is Digital in Cloud. We will connect global carriers and global partners. So what we do? We do 3 things. The first one is we will aggregate the capabilities from global carriers, and we will provide the environment for the partners to do the incubation. And we also help partners after the applications are created. We will help them to promote or to distribute it to different kinds of carriers. As I said, the application partner want all the capabilities for one region, not just for one carriers. So this is one difficult for them. And before, telecom technology is a little different from IT part. So the interface is different. There are a lot of kinds of interfaces. So our digital in cloud will connect to different kinds of carriers, and we will operate the platform and open it to different kind of partners. And of course, currently like Nexmo and other partners, they already connected to some carriers in some area, in some region. So we also can cooperate with them. And this year, we can get like more than 300 carriers about payment, message, and voice. And next year, the network quality of service and sponsored data location will be available. So welcome you to join our digital in cloud. And the second one is about the incubation. So the name is Global Service Innovation Cloud. It's GSIC. And this morning, my colleague made a mistake to send an email to cancel it. But actually, this afternoon, 3 o'clock, we'll have one workshop to discuss the details. But what is GSIC? Okay, Huawei has the GSIC platform to connect the capabilities from carrier, and we will open it to different kinds of partners to do the innovation. And we have one service mode, let the applications in the service mode to do the demo to show to different kind of carriers. And we already connect some capability free for customer, for partner to do the innovation. And we also have the tested users for the test. And after the applications in the pipeline of GSIC, if the carrier like it, and if the applications is suitable for some market region, so we will distribute the application to different kinds of region. And currently, we already had like more than 100 applications in our service mode. So welcome this afternoon, 3 o'clock, we will have one workshop. And supporting, like Huawei's network and system, we already can reach like more than 5 billion users. So how to launch the service to different area? We build our centralized platform. The name is InTouch in Huawei headquarters. So all the partners only need to connect to our InTouch platform, and then we can help you to distribute the applications to different area. Like single access in Huawei headquarters, and you can reach globally. And yesterday we also discussed something about the local digital service. All the services should be localized. So Huawei has all the office in almost all country to do the local inside. And everything will be done online to do the revenue audit and the global unified settlement. And in the process, now is very fast. 7 days, we can get the engagement. And 1 month, we can do the settlement. Okay, this is the current situation. Our InTouch platform currently connected to more than 2 billion users. And for the UV, we have 150 millions. And besides this TED Summit, every year we will have different kinds of summit carried out by Huawei. Like this year, we did it in South Asia, Middle East, and Mexico, Latin America, and South Africa. Also last month in Bali. So in this summit, Huawei carried out, we not only say it by ourselves, we carry out a lot of partners together to do the promotion and the communication with carriers and all the users. Okay, so welcome to join us to do the win-win work. Okay, thank you.